What's going on, guys? We're gonna make our first leaf today with the stem and all. So first we're gonna start flattening out this 3/8 rebar about 2 inches down or so. Alright, now that we got that flattened out, we're going to start creating a little bit of width for our leaf. And now with our rounding hammer, we're going to start forming in the tip for our leaf. Just remember to keep turning it on its side to flatten it out, or else you're going to get some folds. Alright, now we're going to start creating a little bit more width while smoothing out some of the forge marks from earlier. So we're just going to create a little bit more width on each side so it's more uniform. Alright, now using our hold fast tool, we're going to hold our piece on the anvil here, and with my small chisel, I'm going to start putting in some leaf marks on each side. Now using our hot cut tool, we're just going to cut off around 2 inches so we can start spreading out the stem. Alright, as we're stretching out our material for our stem, just keep in mind, keep turning it as you're stretching it out. Keep it more uniform. This is probably the longest process of making this leaf, but it's not too bad. Alright, back under the hold fast tool here, and then we're again going to use our chisel to accentuate some more of the marks for the leaf. It's definitely important to remember to take your time with these. It's really easy for your lines to travel. Alright, now we're just going to take our rounding hammer and just kind of round out any sharp edges to make it look more round, more of a stem-like feature. Alright, now we're going to curl up our little curly Q at the end here. Now we do the twist. Now we're just going to put some light bends into the tip, give it more of a weathering effect for the leaf, give it a little bit more depth. Alright, all finished up with our first leaf. I'm really happy with the way it came out. We're just going to put some linseed oil on it here for a nice blackened finish. And check out my YouTube, guys. Give me a like and a subscribe. I got a lot more content on there. And remember, get out there and do something creative.